Welcome to Royal Enfield Classic 500. Do it yourself for engine oil level checking. Ensure the vehicle is on its center stand on level ground. Start the engine. Run for 2 minutes and then switch off the engine. Allow the oil to settle for a few minutes. Check oil level at the window to see if it is between the maximum and minimum levels marked in the cover RH. If the oil level is below the minimum mark, top up till the level between maximum and minimum mark. Do not overfill. Always use Royal Enfield specified oil as mentioned in the owner's manual. Oil capacity minimum to maximum is approximately 350 ml. Refit the oil filler cap. That's it. You have done the engine oil level checking.